Chances of finding survivors in the ship that sank off the Visakhapatnam coast on Friday appear to be slim. That's what the Navy chief has said, adding that search for the 4 missing sailors will continue as per procedure. The Navy chief had reviewed the search and rescue operations.
Search operations at this point in time are still continuing, though the chances appear a little grim. The reason as to why the flooding could not be controlled is a cause for serious concern, and it will be investigated thoroughly. We would like to go into the detail and find out as to what were the drawbacks, what were the shortcomings with regard to any material failure or any maintenance issues.
And tracking that story for us is my colleague Nitin Gokhale, who now joins us on the phone line. Nitin, the Navy chief there all but conceding that it will now be virtually impossible to actually find those 4 missing sailors, though of course he added that the search operations will continue.
That's right. I mean, the Navy will do its utmost, and it will, as is the norm, about a week-long search is always carried out, no matter what happens, how grim the situation is. That is why I think he's saying that we will continue the search at least till the 13th of this month, which is about a week from the time the vessel sank off Visakhapatnam. So, but it looks more and more impossible to trace those missing personnel, 1 officer and 3 sailors. That said, I think it's more important to notice what the Navy chief said about the possible material failure. That is, either there was a problem in the vessel itself, which was 30 years old, as we know, or maintenance issues. Did it go to sea without the mandatory checks? Was it not seaworthy? All that, those issues will be tackled by the Board of Inquiry that has been ordered, and that needs to be taken to its logical conclusion. Is, I think, what the best tribute to the missing personnel would be. Yeah?
Right, Nitin. Thanks very much for those details.